Just where it was needed, gleaming black as night, cloistered in injustice, dead in the eyes.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been like 100 years, it feels like, at least a month. Still dealing with this daggum pressure sore, but hopefully the doctors will get their stuff together and we'll be able to figure out getting surgery on my hip bone and finding a plastic surgeon to put a flap procedure in and close that bad boy up. In the meantime, to keep myself from going crazy, I'm just trying to get the house ready for the holidays and getting things cleaned. I do have everything decorated now, but I just wanted to show you guys my process of getting our disgusting house clean and ready so that way it is presentable to even decorate in the first place. And what all I did and all as well. And then I will post my next video of all the decorations that we did. This is one of them I love. And where all I got it from, so that way you can get your own as well. I hope you guys are just as excited about fall and the holidays as I am. I mean, look at this new cute little dress that I got with my boots here. I absolutely love it. I got it from Shein, and so I'll have to show you guys those as well. But I'm definitely ready for the holidays and college football and all there is to go on in the holidays here for the fall. So join me on what I do to get this house in order, and then decorating it to make it feel homey, wonderful, and also just bright and beautiful for fall this year. So I hope you guys enjoy my video. I would love for you to like, comment, and subscribe. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do. I'm gonna start trying to get these things out weekly. I'm really working on it. The editing process is difficult for me. I'm not very good at it, and it's not very fun, but I'm learning slowly but surely. I will get there. So thank you so much for, coming back to my channel, and I really hope that you like what you see. Also, leave in the comments what you would like to see from me, things that I can do, more arts and crafts type things, organization type stuff, how I get dressed, get into bed, like whatever you want, whenever it comes to my spinal cord injury, home decor, cleaning, lifestyle, and crafting. Those are all my things, and gardening. I love those things. So like I said, please comment, like, and subscribe. Please share this video, and I hope you like what you see.
When you have 3 furry dogs, yes, you have to vacuum your couch. And cleaning up our coffee bar area has been much overdue, but I absolutely love those chocolate chips. You should definitely try them if you want to make an at-home Java chip. They are the bomb.
Alright, so I organized or wiped down everything, and we're having seafood tonight, but I should have recorded me getting all my protein shakes in order, because y'all saw how it looked before. It was terrible. But I got these little canister things off of Amazon a little while back, so I was able to organize all of my Plexus stuff for, you know, that way it looks like good and organized instead of all just thrown together like it was previously. But so far, so freaking good.
Alright, we finally got the house ready to rock and roll when it comes to decorations, but I totally forgot to record the after of the clean living room. Regardless, we've got it done, and I can't wait to show you guys the next video of the decorations and how beautiful it turns out. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.